So I had a heck of a time. Got this carburetor installed, and after we installed it there, I had my buddy help me installing it. It snowed every single day, and I didn't have really a chance to take it out and test it. Then I had to take it in on Friday to work last week to get the Flowmaster mufflers installed. So I'm driving it to work and I'm having some huge problems. Basically, this throttle cable was getting stuck just a hair this way. So as soon as I hit the gas, it would get stuck to like throttle open, and it would just rev up and rev up and rev up and rev up, and just had this 460 pulling me at basically idle. I never even had to put my foot on the gas because it just was open, stuck open. It had me going all the way to 90 miles an hour, at idle, all the way down the road. And, I was freaking out. I didn't know what the hell was going on. I thought maybe the fast idle screw needed to be adjusted. I don't know what the fuck. But I got back here, and my buddy who helped me install it, he's a really good mechanic. He found that this was getting stuck open. And so I oiled everything. I oiled these linkages. I tried everything. I even oiled the other side, the choke and everything. I worked on it all, worked it up. Sprayed choke in the choke cleaner in the choke. Nothing would fix it. Kept getting stuck right here. So then I thought, well, maybe I'll screw a bolt in to this part right here. There's a, something you can screw in here on the top of this manifold. And then I bought this spring here and just give like a return spring action. And it's just now installed it. And it works like a charm. The spring was a little bit long, so I had to kind of manipulate it, turn it with some needle nose pliers to get it to give some tension on the throttle here. But it works like a charm now. So looks like everything's fixed. I'm pretty happy about that. Got a breather here for this oil filler cap. That looks pretty nice. So yeah, looking sharp and looking like it's running basically how it's supposed to be going. I got this thing from the internet and installed that recently too. That's pretty neat. I guess maybe I'm gonna try to work on flush the brakes. I gotta fix the horn. Those are some things I gotta do next. There seems to be like a little bit of a parasitic voltage drain from the battery. Maybe the clock, I don't know what it could be. So I'll have to fiddle around with fuses and things to try to figure that out. This was leaking a little bit of gas and I tightened it up, so I got to keep my eye on that. I changed all the plugs out to platinum plugs because the seals in this thing are might be a little leaky, and so I got all platinums in here now. They're going to burn. They're going to spark even through if there's a little bit of oil gets on them. So it's looking really good, really happy with everything here. Very good, very nice. Excellent.